Hey, what's up, guys? Wanted to make a real quick informational video for you. Been hearing a lot of, well, I shouldn't say a lot. Been hearing some misinformation going around. Recently, one of my customers, friends, came to me, asked me to check out the front end on her Jeep, and she was told that her tie rod needed to be replaced because of essentially tie rod roll or tie rod flop. Now, after checking it out, her tie rod ends did need to be replaced, but it wasn't because of tie rod roll or flop, which I'm about to give you a demonstration of, but because of lateral play. All right, let's see if I can give you a good example here. Okay. So here we have a ball joint. All right, your tie rod ends for stock steering are essentially ball joints. Okay, ball and socket joint, just like what's on your shoulder, your hip. All right, it can twist, it can go back and forth like this, like this. What you don't want to see is in and out like this, just like your shoulder, just like your hip. Okay, just traditional ball and socket joint. So if you have any play back and forth like this, it's bad. That was what was wrong with her joints on her tie rod ends. All right. Going like this back and forth doesn't mean anything. That's just tie rod roll. I'm about to show you right here. I just installed brand new tie rods, or brand new tie rod ends, brand new drag link and drag link ends, brand new adjusters on this Jeep right here. Have a look. All right, so as you can see right here, brand new tie rod end links, brand new drag link end links, brand new adjuster, brand new adjuster. So essentially, brand new, all new joints, drag link, and tie rod. Okay. Now, this one, when you're driving down the road, isn't gonna flop right now because the joints haven't even broken in; they're still stiff. But over time, after heat cycling and moving them back and forth and everything else like that, they will flop. Even with them being stiff right now. Look at this. So I can roll that back and forth. These are brand new joints. You're going to tell me they're bad? No, they're not. This is normal. This is normal movement for a regular ball joint style tie rod end. Okay? Now, if you have that going on your Jeep, and you want to fix that, you don't want that going on, you just oppose the joints. Angle one down and one up. If you put them in a twist, it can't flop around. And it's not going to affect your steering. It's not going to affect the motion of the knuckles because these are in a constant plane going the same direction, back and forth. Okay? They don't need to twist. It's just the way these are made. You can get aftermarket steering that doesn't have the traditional ball style. It has more of a cylinder. It mounts flush to the knuckle, and all it does is twist back and forth. Because, like I said, it doesn't need to do this. But because they use ball joint style rod ends in this, that's what they're prone to do. So please, if you go to somebody, have them check your steering out, and they tell you that you need new tie rod ends because it's doing this number, please take it to somebody else. Don't believe them when they say that. That's not correct. That's a normal movement. On this drag link, you can see it does it a little bit too. Okay? Normal movement. Nothing wrong with it. Not wore out. Brand new stuff. Hope that helps you guys.